Alright, trip B's reset. Let's see where we can go on 1.5 miles. Also, I don't know if they've been challenged with it yet or not, but Randy TBird, JP1970, you're up for this one. Hopefully you guys have a little bit more exciting of a town than I do. Alright, now let's see if the bike will actually start today. Oh, first time. Oh, and we're done. Just kidding. Hi, doggy. Hey, Fletch, it looks like your puppy. So this is a stop sign. It's a pretty cool stop sign. It tells people to stop. They usually don't, but that blue car's always blocking, so always kind of walk it out there.
Hey, now walk it out. Walk it out. Now walk it out. Walk it out. DJ.
It's windier than all get out today. That's a good day to test a microphone. Should probably do my Motovlog at the same speed you all do yours at. I've been trying to do it at like 55 and 60 miles per hour, and to cut out the wind noise, you have to cut out way too much. Oh gosh, guys. Another stop sign. We're at 0.3 miles. Let's see what else we can find. Ooh, a speed limit sign. There's a lady walking next to a closed pool thanks to the coronavirus. There's a kid hopping on a bicycle. Over here's a guy on the right mowing his yard. I should be doing that today at some point. Maybe tomorrow. I got a few days off. We got a parade about to happen. A coronavirus parade. It's kind of cool. They kind of go around in the cars and they honk at the people and annoy all the neighbors. Cool story, bros. Okay, we are at 0.7 miles. We're halfway through our trip today, and we're at a stoplight. Now, what stoplights do is they're kind of like stop signs, but they're for the masses. We'll see if this stoplight is nice enough to even change for me. Oh, it's going to. Let's go. Oh, it's because of the person in my review. I thought I was special. Casey's General Store, the best gas station pizza you'll ever find. We got two cars here turning out. That's exciting. And here's my post office box. So, whoa, there's people walking and just not paying attention. Glad to see the world is back to normal. So, is that the challenge? Is it 1.5 total miles from your home? Because I could go like 3 or 4 different directions. Maybe it's open to interpretation. Hey, there's a body of water. We call those ponds here in Kansas. They generally have fishies, sometimes malaria. Up here on the left, oh, that guy kind of ran the yellow. That's okay. Got a couple bikers today. One in highlighter yellow, and the other guy, hey, what's up, man? They were patched. I shouldn't have yelled at them. I think they're hog members. I want to be a deadly ride now. Hello, Mr. 370Z. Oh, yep. Cutting you off. Hey, look, there's another one of those malaria ponds full of mosquitoes and bacteria and algae. I think this store up here is going to be my 1.5 miles. A lot of people out riding today. It's gorgeous out. Now, this is a parking lot here for Orchland that is not motorcycle friendly, because you don't need to be here if you're on a motorcycle. Unless you maybe work here. Yep, 1.5 miles. So there's my 1.5 miles from home today. What we'll go ahead and do is we'll go back home and we'll venture out another 1.5 miles, you know. Just because this was probably so entertaining. Really hope I hit the record button. Don't know if I want to film this again. Go gadget motorcycle. We have a lot of those malaria ponds. Look how clear the water is in that pool. Without people out and about, people haven't been peeing in them. I'm gonna catch up to this motorcycle guy. He's like, hey buddy, let's go take down them hog boys. I think one of the boys was a girl, but you know, whatever. Oh wow, yeah guys, low! There's our park with some flags. See a POW flag and American flag and the Kansas flag and the city of Gardner flag, which doesn't belong with the rest of those. More people running. Take this road, we can make it back home. There's a school to the right, way over there. I took that road for the seat test ride. Oh, if I took a left there, I could go back home too. This is actually kind of fun because my hometown is so boring. I can hear his music playing through my helmet, over my exhaust, and everything else. You bagger bros. I wonder about you guys. I love you, but I wonder about you. Yeah. Oh. This is nice. Picture taking's fun. We'll head back towards the house and we'll go one more direction because I want you guys to stick with me here. Alright, now here's going to be the moment of truth. My initial starts for the day are fine. But after I've ridden a little bit, I think my battery is about shot. Again, thanks Harley for the awesome battery. Maybe I just need to give it more time to prime. Amazon Prime. Optimus Prime. Prime your face. Alright, so if I remember right, at the second stop sign, headed out of my subdivision, that was 0.3. So we will ride right by there, then I'll measure another 1.2 miles from there. It's actually kind of pathetic. I've been riding for 15 minutes today and I've gone 3.5 miles. I'm averaging about 15 to 16 miles per hour today. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, am I part of the parade? I'm part of the parade. I'm so sick of it. I'm doing this. I'm going to be part of the parade. Oh, and I'm the caboose. This is even better. Just revving it every time I hear them honk their horn. Oh God. Only bad part is I have to come back to this neighborhood and live. They're probably thinking, oh God, who's that guy? They're probably thinking I'm like pissed off behind them. I don't even know these people. I'm joining though. Beep beep. Beep beep. Nice. Food delivery. Alright, Chimp. You got me. It ended up being kind of fun. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna have to edit 19 minutes worth of footage so far for what I thought was gonna be a 4-minute video. So yeah, this is like Warehouse City down here. There's so many. Oh, that patch of rock there always freaks me out a little bit. Going around, let's ramp it up. But yeah, I take a lot of pictures down in this area. Most of these businesses are like, there's no one there on the weekends. But if you look way out in the distance there, I don't think we'll be able to reach it. I don't think so. Although the stop sign's right there, we might. Very close to the train yard. So I don't know if you have lived within 1.5 miles of a train yard. I don't recommend it at all. It's very annoying. Oh, you guys actually probably seen that video of me in the garage. Yeah. I like these hologram ones ever since I got... This is that train yard that causes all of that mayhem. But it is kind of cool to watch. We brought my kid out here the other day and watched him pick up cars for about 5 minutes. Fascinating. That's what you do in the small town. So, yeah, so we're right at the 1.5 mile mark from here, from home. So, I'll go ahead and cut it here. I hope you all have a good rest of your day. Hope you enjoyed this kind of, I was being very sarcastic, challenge. I actually had a really good time with it. And as always, I will catch you on the next dark side as this is the way. ChopperFett seeing you guys. Be safe. Stay safe.